Welcome to Learners Math TV. In this video, you will be able to understand and apply the midline theorem of a triangle. You will learn how the midline of a triangle relates to its sides and how to solve problems involving midlines. Ano nga ba ang midline ng isang triangle? Ang sabi, the midline of a triangle, also known as the midsegment, is a line segment that connects the midpoints of two sides of a triangle. Let us construct a triangle. Now, let us have our midpoints ng dalawang sides, and then let us connect those midpoints. Yan. Yung segment na yan yung tinatawag nating mid-segment or midline of the given triangle. Now, let us change the color of this region. Ayan, eto. Then, let me show you the visual proof about the midline theorem of a triangle. So, lahat na yan ngayon ay color pink. And then, pagalawin natin yung triangle na nasa gitna. Okay? Mapapansin nyo, yung ating midline ay side ng triangle na pinapagalaw natin. Tapos, itatapat natin yan dito sa side ng triangle na nasa left side. Mapapansin ninyo na itong midline ay congruent sa side ng triangle na ito. Ayan, kasi tinapat natin siya doon. Ngayon naman, ililipat naman natin sa kabila. Now, visually, nakita natin na yung measurement ng buong side na to na parallel sa ating midline ay yung sukat niyan, kalahati ng sukat na yan ay yung sukat o measurement ng ating midline. Okay? Visually, nakita natin na itong triangle na ito na color pink ay galing dyan kanina. So, ibalik na natin siya doon sa kanyang pinanggalingan. Ayan. Ang sinasabi kasi sa midline theorem ng triangle, kung papangalanan natin ang triangle na ito na triangle ABC at yung ating mid segment ay pangalanan natin na DE, ang sabi, the midline theorem states that the midline is parallel to the third side of the triangle and half its length. So tama, yung ipinakita sa atin ng ating visual proof na ang DE ay kalahati ng AC or DE, segment DE is equal to 1/2 of segment AC. Let us now apply the midline theorem in this problem. If the parallel side to the midline measures 15 units, what is the length of the midline? So let me have an illustration for this. So yung ating parallel side doon sa midline ay 15 units, then DE is our midline. So for our solution, so gamitin natin ngayon yung formula na the midline or DE or segment DE is equal to 1/2 times segment AC. So substitute lang natin yung ating given measurement, which is 15 units, yung AC. So DE now is equal to 1/2 times 15. So therefore, segment DE or the midline or the length of our midline is equal to 7.5 units. So that's the final answer for this problem. Dito naman tayo sa pangalawang example. The mid-segment is 10 units long, and the parallel side is expressed as 2x minus 6. What is the length of the parallel side? Ito yung ating illustration. So yung ating midline ay 10 units at yung parallel side ay nire-represent ng 2x minus 6. Now, for our solution, gamitin natin yung ating formula that segment DE or the midline is equal to 1/2 of AC. So, ilagay lang natin yung mga given figures na meron tayo. So, yung DE natin ay 10, then yung ating AC ay 2x minus 6. And then, let us multiply both side by 2 para matanggal natin yung 1/2. Then, what will happen next is, okay, we can cancel 2 and 2 kasi 2 divided by 2 is just equal to 1. And then, ito naman, 2 times 10 is equal to 20. So, ito na lang yung matitira dyan. Then, lipat natin yung negative 6 sa kabila. Magiging positive 6, magiging 20 plus 6 is equal to 2x. Then, magiging 26. 20 plus 6 is 26 is equal to 2x. Then, divide both side by 2. 26 divided by 2 is equal to 13. And 2 divided by 2 is equal to 1. Kaya, okay, ang ating x ay 13. X is equal to 13. Now, ano ba yung ating problem? What is the length of the parallel sides? Okay, since AC is the parallel side, ito yon. AC is equal to 2x minus 6. AC is equal to 2 times 13. Substitute lang natin dito yung value ng x na nakuha natin, then minus 6. So AC is equal to 26 minus 6 because 2 times 13 is equal to 26. Then AC now is equal to 20. Therefore, 20 units ang sukat ng ating parallel side. That is now the final answer. Now for our third example, the mid-segment is 2x plus 3 units long and the parallel side is expressed as 3x plus 9. What is the length of the midline? So, meron na tayo ritong illustration wherein yung ating midline ay 2x plus 3 at yung ating parallel side AC doon sa ating midline ay 3x plus 9. So, for our solution, plug in lang natin lahat ng ating mga expression dyan sa mga given expression natin dito sa ating formula. So, ayan. So, our segment D is 2x plus 3, then equals to 1/2 times the segment AC, which is 3x plus 9. Then, let us multiply both sides by 2 to eliminate this fraction. Diba? Para matanggal natin yan. So, pag dinivide natin yan or 1/2 times 2, so ibig sabihin it is just equal to 1. So, wala na yan. So, dito naman sa kabila, i-apply natin yung distributive property of multiplication. Kaya magiging 2 times 2x is equal to 4x and then 2 times 3 is equal to 6. Then, ito naman, 3x plus 9 na lang ang matitira rito. Then, ilipat na natin sa kabilang side ng equation, yung 3x, magkapareha sila ng term at yung 6 naman doon sa kabila. Pero kailangan magbago yung kanilang mga signs. Positive 3x becomes negative 3x and positive 6 becomes negative 6. So 4x minus 3x is equal to x and then 9 minus 6 is equal to 3. Kaya ang value ng ating x dyan ay 3. Yan ang gagamitin natin ngayon sa ating problem. Ang sabi, what is the length of the midline? Okay? So since yung midline natin, yan yung DE. Since D is the midline. So, DE is equal to 2x plus 3. Okay, so i-plug in lang natin o i-substitute natin yung value ng x na nakuha natin. So, magiging D is equal to 2 times 3 plus 3. So, D is equal to 6 plus 3. And then DE is equal to 9 units. So, that is the final answer for our problem. Lagi lang natin tatandaan, sa math ay maaari kang maging mahusay kung lagi kang handa na mag-practice o magsanay.